Hey guys, this is Matthew and Ryan from Drinka Software. We're here to just demo the project that we did for the OORT hackathon, the Frost DeFi toolkit. So in OORT, where we are right now is we're like the big apes on the left. We're tilling. There's not a whole lot going on. We're just kind of tilling the fields, trying to make something happen. And where we want to be is in this kind of beautiful garden on the right, where we've done all the previous work, and now we get to reap the rewards of all that previous work. DeFi is a lot like this kind of garden, right? When you start off, there isn't a whole lot of projects. There isn't really a whole lot going on. And if you want to build the kinds of things that you see on the right, well, you have to have done the work on the left to start with. Right now, OORT, there's a lot of work that needs to be done in terms of DEXs and in terms of lending, in terms of that kind of thing. So kind of the focus of this project is by helping building out those things on OORT, we can get OORT from the monkeys on the left where we're really struggling in the garden to the monkeys on the right where we can kind of just sit back, relax, eat some bananas, eat some food, and just have a good time. So kind of like what I was talking about, right? There's a lot of things that kind of need to get done on any kind of chain that wants to have a real DeFi experience. The first two things being what we focused on, which was a DEX. So we forked Uniswap v2 and also a token launchpad, which we will demo shortly. But there's also a lot of stuff that needs to happen, right? You need lending, you need a marketplace, you need liquid staking, and you'd also really like to have things like prediction markets and perpetual futures, which really just make a lot of money for the chain. They're just good for the ecosystem. And we would like to build those going forward. But to start with, this is just kind of what we got started with to try to jump headfirst in the ecosystem.
Great, so we're just gonna demo our project a little bit here. So this is the link. It's frost.dranka.software. If you click this, you might notice that you get this dangerous website link. So because we're working with Uniswap code, I think Google thinks that we're doing something nefarious. But if you go to the link and you go over to the launch page here and you connect to OORT mainnet with your MetaMask wallet, you can go and type in a token name, a token symbol, a number of decimals for your token, and a total supply. And eventually, we'd hope to also add, image functionality and various other use cases. But if you click Launch Token here, you'll get a pop-up from MetaMask, and then you can confirm, and you'll see this token deployed at value here, which is what your token contract is. And then you'll see this pop up both as a transaction here in MetaMask, and then you'll be able to see it pop up on the OORT Explorer once it's gone through. So thanks for watching our demo. We hope you enjoyed our project. We're looking forward to working more with OORT.